So where are all my garden buddies? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate an income just by posting about the things that you absolutely love doing. So if you love gardening, and I know many of us do, we love just pottering around, it makes us feel good. Well, you could earn an income from that. I'll even show you later how to earn one with pets, with cats. So if you love cats and animals, there are so many ways that you guys can generate an income just with posting videos about the things that you absolutely love doing. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to clickbank.com. We scroll down through the categories. You can see all the categories here. All right, so find what it is that you're interested in, whether it's cooking, whether it's e-business, but we're looking for home and garden. So when you press home and garden, what will happen is it'll bring up all the different products here on the right-hand side, and then all the different commissions that you can earn for promoting that. So build a chicken coop, you can earn $20. All right, woodworking, wow, you can earn $135 for promoting that. Well, that's amazing. But we're going to have a look at this one here, landscaping ideas. We're going to earn $25. Right, so next time I do a promotion on gardening, I'm going to use that affiliate link. So I'll have a look at the sales page. This is a sales page. This is what the people are going to see when they land. Click on my link. And the good thing is if they buy the product, when they buy the product, I have to do nothing. I just sit back and collect the commission. All right, the company does all the autoresponders and the emails and follows them up. And if they buy, I earn a commission. So this is amazing. What a great way to earn a business. So to find out more, to start your very own affiliate marketing business, click the link in my bio. See you next time.